Friends, I am N. Lovenath, doing my Bachelor of Aeronautical Engineering, Bannariamman Institute of Technology. Today, we are going to saw about the upcoming generation of drones. Before that, we briefly saw about the evolution of drones from the earliest stage. When Nikola Tesla was thinking about the transportation of materials from one place to another without any human operation, he got an idea of creating a drone. After few years, he created a radio-operated boat in a Madison Square Garden exhibition in 18th November 1898. This creates a basic platform for the evolution of drones.
I am Surya from Bannariamman Technology. My friend Logi said after the idea of the Tesla, only the idea of the drone is started. The stone name is Charlotte Gray. Coming up the idea of the gathering bug, it was discovered in 21 October 1988. It was a trial. Manufacturer is Diane Wright. Design belonged to Charles Kepling. Next generation of the drone is Queen Bee, where there was also play in the role model of the dropping bomb. It was invented by the Winston Churchill and David in 1935, and the name of the given the drone is D. Hall Land. This is given by the idea of the previous next drones.
Due to the noise commercial UAVs made when they flew in the air. It eventually stuck despite pushback from aviation professionals and government regulators, and has come to represent other platforms such as unmanned ground and surface vehicles as well.
Surya explained about the catering bug and the Queen Bee. Now let's go with the lightning bug and the predator plane. First of all, lightning bug. Lightning bug is one kind of drone. Let's see about the lightning bug. It was first invented, it was first introduced and developed by Riyadh Aeronautical in 1962. It is first used in Cold War held between America and Russia. First, primarily it was used by United States Air Force and United States Navy. The total program cost about $2,15,000. General Atomics Aeronautical System introduced the Predator plane in July 3rd, 1994. It was somewhat more better than the lightning bug.
It demands a different look as to how to achieve the same goals without spending as much. Drone swarms could carry out the tasks currently done by their larger, more expensive counterparts. A few $45,000 anti-air missiles are a cost-effective way to shoot down an $80 million Reaper drone. But firing the same anti-air missile at a smaller commercial drone isn't as cost-effective, especially when there are still 102 other drones flying the same mission at the same time. We can already see the prototypes of these swarms
Used by United States Air Force, Italian Air Force, Turkish Air Force, and especially Royal Moroccan Air Force. Nowadays, this project is retired recently in March 3rd, 2018. The total cost of the program was about $2.38 million.
hasn't even kicked off yet, but that will change in the next decade or two. I'm talking about space. There are currently over 100 space-based projects being proposed by several countries around the world, ranging from space mining ventures to exploratory expeditions to even the construction of off-world habitats. The construction of an off-world habitat, for example, would require some form of workforce to at least assemble successfully if the parts are made here on Earth and sent to space. And although we could suit up our engineers in spacesuits and shoot them up in rockets, humans would be quite inefficient for such tasks, considering how poorly we do in space. Drones, on the other hand, would be right at home in the zero-gravity vacuum outside the confines of the Earth, and they could be easily replaced should they be damaged or become faulty. NASA is already building drones that could potentially explore other planets and asteroids once deployed in space. These drones would move autonomously in space, carrying out their pre-programmed directives like building space elevators and interstellar vehicles which could one day take our species to the edge of our solar system or even beyond.